Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we are going to work in a beautiful step, back sacadas.
This is an advanced step, so get ready because we are going to be working in how to make it comfortable and possible.
Let's go to the video.
So here we are in the dance floor and we are ready to work with you on back sacadas. In this case, it'll be back sacadas for the followers.
Followers, so a lot of technique for us to avoid kicking the leader.
Please.
Okay, let's try the first one, starting with voleo.
Yeah. So let us do it with full dynamic first. And then we are going to give you details. And from here you can walk out, of course, to another figure. At the end of this video, stay tuned because we are going to do it with different dynamics, the whole figure over and over.
Yes, let's try this in slow motion so they see what I'm doing. Side step, I feel the lead for the voleo. And then stop and again back pivot. But in this case, it's not for voleo. The lead keeps rotating me and show me the position for the sacada. So I will lower the position, extend my back leg, my left leg fully until I transfer body weight, walk, and continuously doing a molinete till the end and feet together. So after the back sacada with my left, I keep walking around into molinete.
Yep, that is correct. So now what we are doing here, for the leaders, we are leading her into two simple voleos. I mean, in my mind, I'm doing two voleos. She has the option to do the front voleo or feet together. It's up to her. So we have voleo, contra voleo actually, and here it's almost like almost a regular voleo. Yep. So that's why it's not extremely clear whipping that she has to do the voleo. It's halfway. So she has the option, kick, feet together, or voleo. Now from here, as I'm shifting body weight to my right, I have to rotate her the more we can. Tiki, 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 tiki. Did you notice that I didn't transfer completely and she almost rotated the whole body weight? Because I have to save a little bit of body weight shifting so I can pull back. I'm doing two things. Pulling back and lowering extra. The other thing that I'm doing is that I'm lifting a little bit my leg, rotating and lifting. Look. Tack. Avoiding her kick. Continue pulling, brush the floor and step close to her. Re-embrace. Side and feet together, ready to walk out. Sorry. Yeah.
Very important tip for both when the leader or follower does the back sacada. Tip for the back sacada is to feel the lead, to prepare, and then don't transfer body weight. I'm extending the leg back to enter to the sacada, and I keep all my body weight on the front leg. Be careful, don't do this. This is wrong. Yeah. Transferring body weight when I'm extending the leg. Don't do that. We just extend, slide out. Later on the last minute, I will transfer weight to keep going around. This is the most important tip for the back sacada.
Dynamics, we're going to do it square on the beat, later a little slower, and later a little faster. Yeah? So what are we doing here?
Before we continue with the next part of the video, we have to tell you something.
We would like to invite you to check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com, where we have our online tango school. It is a membership-based program where you can sign up and learn all about tango.
You can also get them as downloadable videos.
Once again, miriamleonardotango.com, and now let's get ready for the second part of this video. So, on the beat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, walking out. Just to resolve, we're going to do it slower. Side and voleo. Breathing back, side, front. Take all the time to hold and lift. Walk out. Para, pa, pam. Slow resolution. And just a little faster. We are doing turn. Voleo and quick, slow, and walk. Ba-da-pa-pum, pum.
Great, you get to the end of the video. Remember to like and subscribe with notifications and share with your friends.
Also, make sure to check out the next recommendations that we have coming up and the ones in the description of this video.
Thank you so much.
Bye.